Hello and welcome to another video. Today we are going to talk about one of the most expensive upgrades you can do to this car. You can spend a lot more on other parts, but it's very expensive for the amount of material you get. We got some camber bolts from TDE. They are made from titanium. I think you might even or might already saw the video we did. So you might already know these bolts. They're made from titanium, very nicely, very light and very sturdy. So you can just throw them around and they're not getting damaged. Now the issue with camber bolts is the stock ones from Toyota. They are great. They are very cheap and very heavy, and they are also conical, I think. And the same with the ones from, I think the ones we use the most are White Line. And H&R also makes some of them. And they work all great because they have an offset and you can just turn them around. And then you get different camber adjustments according to how you set that up. The issue with that, I think a lot of people recognize that or had that issue on track, or when you drive the car very hard, they're gonna change again. Because it's just the clamping force that holds it together. It's nothing physical that prevents the bolt from moving around. That's a little bit of an issue. Now, TDE solved that quite expensive because you get 4 bolts, the lower 2 and the upper 2 for camber adjustments, and they cost like 530 euros. All 4 together. At least they're titanium and billet aluminum, and yeah, very well engineered, and yeah, it's quite expensive, I know. So let's talk about what makes these so good or why they are so expensive. At the bottom you just have the big ones, and then at the top you get some smaller ones. Now, like camber bolts, you need to have this bolt not in the middle. You need to have it a little bit offset to the outer side for less camber and a little bit more to the inside for more camber. And now you get this one. This one, make sure you have the right size, same as here. And then, now comes the clue. You'll get these, because this one's too narrow, so it would just move around. With this one you get also to the correct diameter, and which doesn't move. And now they have made different parts. Let me show you the 2 most extreme so you can see it the best. These 2 are the most extreme. Here you can see the difference the best. So with these you just have different settings, and they also show you what the settings are. And you can just put them on and bolt it back in, and depending on how you set it up you get more or less camber. And the great thing with these is they can't move because they are stuck inside the strut, and this one won't move. You get all 4 of those, obviously, for 530 something euros. But you can set it up with these quite perfectly, and I think these are the best designed. I hope they are the best designed because they are also by far the most expensive. I think the H&R ones are like 80, 90 euros, something like that, and the White Lines are 40 something euros. So these cost like 10 or 12 times or 6-7 times, 6.5 times more than the ones from H&R or Whiteline. But you get also more bolts, so kinda cheap. No, they are very, very expensive. If you're looking for the best way to set up camber and you don't want top mounts or different top mounts like whatever ones you have or whatever ones you like, or the arms at the lower part from Workline, for example, which you also can buy and set up camber. These ones are by far the best solution. So if you really want to track the car with your stock suspension and want to keep everything else stock, don't want to change anything, not to KW's. I think the version 3, KW V3, they have not round holes, they have slits, so you can also set up camber. Or you can just buy these for 500 something euros. They are, honestly, they are very well designed, they are very well engineered, and they're gonna work absolutely perfect. If you want to spend that money on camber bolts, that's one way. We have some in stock. If you want some, let me know. If you wanna spend your money on something else, just let me know as well. We have a lot of stuff in stock. So, that's basically it for this video. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. And if you're gonna comment, oh, they are so expensive, I know, everybody knows. And if you say they're not worth it, I don't know, maybe you can judge that if you have them. So you have to buy it to judge them. But I know it's very expensive. All right, I think that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Have a good week. Goodbye.